before. So, let's put some music on. Oh, yeah, Tupac will get me going. Get this done in no time. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this section out and put it right there, because today, right now, I don't know if I can even lift that armoire, though I know I need to, but maybe I'll wait for Terry to come over and help me pick that up if he has a good back. Anyway, let's get on it. I gotta find me a helper. I know that's probably only a little bit of work, hours, I mean, but it would be nicer if somebody else did this. So obviously I'll put another one there. Move that armoire and put another one there and there next time. Yeah, because I want to take all of these off of here and out of the office, wire office, and put most of them all in one place, but I still got crystals down there. Anywho, here we go. Watch fast. I gotta find a pretty bowl to put those in. Keep all the little tiny baby ones, you know, all together. Yes, that is a turkey bone. I think I'm gonna make me a few more resin hands to use as holders. Oh, I gotta find my other skulls, put them all together, 13 of them. Google it. Bashar, 13 skulls. Yeah, Google that. Yes, that is real gold. You could buy it for a couple $100. Lepidolite. Wow. You know, I gotta just hurry up and get it done. So now I can just make me some breakfast and get back in bed and make some more cards. And Dawn, I'll put your candle there as soon as I find it. Yes, I made that ginyami. Happy to make you one too. Takes a lot of resin. Put your $40 down and I'll get started. I know her name is Dawn, and she's on TikTok and Facebook. I don't remember her last name. I'll try and find it for you guys. So, there we go. There we go. And where are you going? Huh? Okay. All right, hang on. I love this card. I know I need to feed the paper back through again so I could have a copy, you know, the front and back. Because this paper right here could be right there and right there, like I did that. But I printed it out and then glued that on there. Anyway. Yeah, and on my little white bits, I put some ink on the edges. Oh well, I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm learning. On a day I'm not too lazy, I will print the main ones and feed it back through to get that where is it? Oh, it's this background. Until then, I'll just put some ink on it. Just love it.